Could they give me an LED light? Hey y'all, and welcome to a vlog. So we're going straight to the nail salon to get these brows threaded. I have not had a moment to sit down and really take care of myself. So a quick update. If you're first time watching me, I'm Minksbyv. I am the girl that color matches lashes. I do lash extensions, and I showcase how to do your lashes, how to do your beauty, how to do your makeup, self-care, love, fun, and lifestyle content. So here I am at the salon with my oldest daughter, Nevaeh. We're getting our nails done. I have not gotten these nails done since I went to LA, and that was over a month ago. I'm using this product called Miss Dola. It's a nail polish that is a gel. It's in the French number 5. London Lash gifted this to me, and I thought it was really nice for them to gift this to me. So I decided to put the nail color on my hand, and it was freaking stunning. That was the inspo that I was going for, and I think that like we remixed it in a way, but Ivy was getting me right. She went ahead. You guys know how a whole manicure goes with acrylics. I didn't try any of the new acrylic types that they have nowadays. I guess like there's gel eggs and there's like powder dip. It's so many different options down the nail salon, but I just stick right now. I'm sticking to the acrylic. So if you guys have any recommendations on anything else, please let me know. When I get my nails done, I typically just have them put one coat of a polish because I really like it to be shiny and almost see-through like glass. Very, very natural, very, very light. Stopped at Crumble. I've been seeing Crumble on TikTok, and this was my first time seeing them in person. And so I decided to go in with Nevaeh, and we went there next. One of the things that I've been trying to get better at doing, and if there's any moms that are watching, I am always open to any kind of advice, but my daughter has been growing at a fast rate, and I have been trying to find ways to like get to know her. So when we did our mommy-daughter date, I looked online and Googled like questions to like spike conversations, and I didn't realize like how well you can connect off of these little conversations. So we ended up going to a restaurant also and grabbing something to eat. And now we are here on Thanksgiving Day. Hello everyone, so today is Black Friday. It's 3:42. I just had 2 customers for today. I wanted to get on TikTok live and do like a live lash masterclass, but I wasn't really in the mood for it. I'm just not really interested in like trying to be really salesy. Social media is like great for you to promote your business, However, I'm promoting me. I am connecting with people who want to connect with me in an authentic way. And I want to enjoy the internet. And I feel like there's so much pressure when you are on social media and you have a business. And because of that, like, it's taken the joy out of what it means to be an entrepreneur, or it takes the joy out of life, which this is not for me to say that life is always going to be perfect or life is always going to like be fun. However, like, there's nothing wrong with having an e-commerce brand. I do love having an e-commerce brand. I want to be myself, and I want my brand to be separate from that, and I want to show up online and just enjoy what I do. I don't want to feel like I'm working. I want it to be a fun experience, and I have fun, and that's really what I'm really trying to focus on. Okay, so yeah, I am awaiting my ride, and then I'm gonna go home, get caught up on work. Since it's really light these next couple of days of customers, tomorrow I am going to be filming a sponsorship for the first time. I can't disclose who it is yet, but I'm really excited about that because I would have never thought this company would ever work with me at this level and this soon. So I'm really, really excited for that. And then prepare for Cyber Monday, of course, and just chill out with my family and enjoy my kids because I gotta go to Chicago next week for that show, and I might be doing some lashes in Chicago. So yeah, see if I can find somebody whose studio I can do lashes in while I'm in Chicago. That's really what my day is gonna look like, and that's it. Okay, so I'm in Target right now because I freaking waste coffee on my shirt, and I had to make sure that I am looking good. So I had to grab, because I'm filming today. So today I'm filming my first ever like commercial with a brand, and like I told y'all yesterday, I have never thought that I would work with this brand. So I want to make sure I look good in it. So this is the hoodie, y'all. Y'all see it? Yeah, I'm just gonna put this hoodie on. And then,
in a rush.
Yeah, see these earrings? Yeah, we're gonna do these. Okay.
Yeah, don't buy that here.
Chloe calling me. Why Chloe calling me?
Chloe's supposed to be there today, Saturday.
Oh shoot, that's right. Hey Chloe. Yes, I know. We're supposed to be in production today. I completely forgot that you were supposed to be coming in because we had to record for a brand. She could. We just have to
put her in the corner where we can't see her. So we just.
But it's like on here because it's. We'll figure it out. I'll be there soon, but you can let her in. Oh, okay. I'll be there shortly. Tell her I'll be there shortly. All right.
Am I still supposed to be recording?
Yes.
Let me just go a little closer.
Like, what I look like being in a video, and this keeps happening.
Her titty fell out, and she poured coffee on her titty. I'm sorry. Sorry. No, you're not in it. You're not in it. You're good. You're good.
You're not in it.
It's only on her. Don't worry.
Oh my God.
Look at the job we have to do. This is a job where we just embarrass people. People really think like I'm doing my best. I don't want to record nobody who don't need to be there.
I should have went over there and got like something more.
You want to go in there? I'll stay in the line.
Stay right here. Let me just check.
What are you doing, bro?
Oh, they're cardigans, but they're cute. See? Isn't that cute?
No, it's not cute, Val.
No, it's not cute.
Yeah,
But she said it's not cute either.
she said it's not cute. That's crazy, Val.
Maybe it's the color. Maybe I'm sold by the color.
Honestly, I like the one that you walked in front of, and then you pulled out something that was ugly.
That is so embarrassing. You always embarrassing me.
Text this girl, and she talking about, thank you. Thank you. You too. She talking about, you didn't even ask, my tire blew out. You didn't even ask me if I was okay. I didn't even know you was gonna be here. I was like, big girl trash. Because now I'm speeding to go get her. I text her, I'm gone. Text her, I'm gone. I get this big paragraph talking about, oh, you gonna leave me? We on a production day today. Hell no, I'm not gonna leave you. This is my job, girl.
Okay, so where are you going? Where's your car?
Yeah, I don't remember my car. Yo, I grilled her ass when she got in the car.
Get in the car, you little rat.
I don't.
That is exactly what you said to me. You said that. You said I was a little rat. That's what you called me. There's no way to talk to a child.
I don't remember calling her a rat. But she deserved it, y'all. She was acting crazy. I do not know what I'm supposed to do right now.
We're about to go to the office.
Oh yeah, forgot. Yo, I love Target. I don't know what kind of witchcraft they got up in there, but that Target be making you feel relaxed.
Target makes you feel rich.
It does.
It's the floor plan.
It has to.
Yo, this script is crazy.
Oh, sorry, your lashes. And you go back to doing her lashes.
Oh, like I forgot my client was here.
Exactly.
She looks just like her mom.
I'm going to Jamaica next week.
Come on, Jamaica.
Okay, we're gonna do this shot again. You did perfect. Val just wants it again because she knows she's weird. Okay. But okay, so there. When I move the camera right there, Val is gonna come over to you and lock the door. You still going crazy? She's gonna lock the door.
And then I'll walk off.
No, you don't walk off. You don't walk off. You're gonna be there.
Okay.
You just. Okay. So we're gonna do everything over again, and then when I move the camera, Val's gonna come to the door. She's just gonna lock it.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I just finished up recording for this commercial. That was a lot. Didn't expect it to be all day, and it was all day, but it was fun. It was fun. I am going home now because I don't think I told y'all that my tire blew. The tire blew on my mama's car. So when we was coming home Thanksgiving night. Oh yeah, because I didn't finish vlogging the rest of Thanksgiving. So we are coming home the rest of Thanksgiving night. Tire blew. We was literally like almost at home. That was a whole ordeal. But I gotta go and get that fixed. It's 4 o'clock. I'm tired. Gotta finalize the rest of my Black Friday sale notifications and send those out. Black Friday was pretty good. Going through the orders now, and it was just like madness. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's head on out.
You can take in the car.
Okay. All right, guys. So, about to head on out now. Good morning, everyone. So, it's Sunday. It's that day of the week where it's time to wind down and not only rest and reset, but also prepare. So this is going to be the end of my vloggy vlog. I'm excited. I did a lot this week. I gave you guys a lot of footage. Yesterday was fun. So I'm at home and I'm about to do my manifestation, and I'm gonna just chill out for the rest of the day. I'm going to church soon. That's what I typically do on Sundays. I go to service, I edit a vlog, I prepare for the week, and I'll see you guys in the next one.